Dr. Sajid here again, continuing my talk on the typhoid vaccine. I have been asked by a number of parents about whether they should get their children vaccinated. Let me just reiterate that this is a newer vaccine. It's called the TCV, or the typhoid conjugate vaccine. It is very useful, very effective, very safe, and it produces good immunity, better than the previous vaccine. And since the previous vaccine could only have been given at age 2 years, this immunization or vaccine can be given earlier, and it is being recommended from 9 months of age to 15 years of age. It is obviously free. It is being given through the EPI centers where routine vaccinations are given, and it is also being carried out in schools. So my suggestion and plea to you would be to safeguard your children against this very serious disease. You should give permission to get this vaccine. It is without any significant side effects, and it is very effective against typhoid. So again, my plea to you would be to please be a part of this campaign. This has been done before in the province of Sindh, and now being done in Punjab and some other provinces, and will soon hopefully become a part of our routine program of immunization to be given at 9 months of age. So once again, please go ahead. I fully endorse it.